So we've been operating around the country for many years now. Myself, almost 10 years in the Bay of Plenty. We are a fair dinkum, real kitchen company that loves to see great results in our homes. What stands out is our reputation, okay? Just have to look us up online and you'll see that we have existed for some time now, and we love those great reviews that come back from doing a great job, as every provider would like to have. Time and time again, delivering really quality products into Kiwi homes here in the Bay of Plenty. Dream Doors Kitchens is a provider of a turnkey approach to kitchens. Not every provider has that approach. We certainly can work with an existing kitchen. Alternatively, we could start from a brand new design, and we have access to those designers and materials that you would expect to see in a cutting edge, state-of-the-art kitchen. So whether it be new appliances or great new flooring, we can deliver all those aspects of your kitchen within that one umbrella. So the customer just has the eye on the prize, which is that finishing product, but we have our eye on every aspect of your kitchen if that's what you require. At the other end, we can simply change a benchtop by the same token and provide that expertise in that area alone, maybe a splashback, to give it a real good focal point for your kitchen makeover. We have systems and checks in place that ensure the customer knows what they're getting up front, and my job for the most part is delivering the expectation to that customer, which is a high standard, and it's what we expect on all our renovations. We are providing top quality solutions and with the minimal of budget required to do some of these changes. So it's no muss, no fuss. You can leave the professionals get on with it, and that's the approach we take. Great advice from the start to finish, right up to the splashback choices. So if you've got a great project in mind, we're certain that we can help you get it finished nicely, timely, and within budget. That's Dan from Dream Doors Kitchens.